Hello, my name is Cristian Orozco, and today I am going to talk to you about the video. The video name Tiny Homes for the Homeless. The most important message of the video is to help people in need. The people in the video are inspiring because they are building small houses to help the homeless. Elvis Summer, the protagonist, the man who builds the tiny houses, says it's important to help people instead of giving them a handout. He thinks it's gratifying to see the look on people's faces when he hands them the keys to his small houses. He also believes it is important to involve children in helping the homeless. He believes they are the future leaders of the community. Five words with example of him. 1. Tiny houses. Small houses typically built on wheels. In the video, Elvis Summers built small houses for the homeless people. To work homeless, not having a home, living on the streets. In the video, Elvis Summers says that his goal is to build small houses for homeless people. 3. Safe from danger of theft. In the video, Elvis Summer says that the small houses he builds are safe and secure. 4. The community. In the video, Elvis Summer says that the children who help him build the tiny house are the future of the community. And 5. Hands up. Elvis Summer says there a big difference between giving alms and raising your hand, and that helping people is the right thing to do. Thank you very much for my attention of the video. Goodbye.